Alright, just want to take a minute to show you a little bit on user notes and punch list and stuff. One of the features that you can do is whenever you're on a step here, even regardless of whether you're passing or failing it, you can always, the user can hit the user comments. And this is one of a couple different ways to note down things that are perhaps that's not a pass or fail type thing, but you want to note information and get it back to the engineers. So one of the things I might be able to say here is my O-rings are discolored. Now, and we'll just go ahead and say they're brittle. So this information is going to get recorded with the job and also viewable by the engineer. Of course, I can spell check because I have terrible spelling skills. But once I state this down and I say OK, that's now in the database, which brings me back to the punch list. And punch list is a way that you can always see where you're at in a job. And basically down here is I can already, right here is the step that I was in. It's going to say, hey, you know, this step here, I waved this step first. And by the way, the O-rings were discolored and they felt brittle. And notice down who wrote that down. So we've got a record of when we start seeing something, even if it's not necessarily a pass-fail type of thing. You can also, if you're on a particular step, you can view the troubleshooting of that particular step. So I can say, hey, this is what was happening on the step. I haven't even hit pass or fail, but right now I can just say, hey, you know, those were my problems, and this is what was done to fix it. If I do obviously fail it, the other thing I can do is I can email for assistance. If I click on here, depending upon who is set up, I can go ahead and send an email message saying, hey, I need help. And it will get sent to that person that's on the list. Alright, and it actually generates the email for me if I have email capabilities on that computer. It will generate the email for me. I'll go ahead and not send it. Also, what I can do is, when I'm describing that, I can attach a file. So if I, let's say, take a picture, I can just go ahead and attach the file and drag and drop it into here. And attach the file to the database. And so it's just another way to get information to the engineer. Thank you very much.